Hello, high flyers! Today we are going to learn about Pythagoras theorem. We will learn how to use the formula here using Pythagoras theorem. This is a triangle. It's a right angled triangle. As you can see here, this is 90 degrees, which means a right angle. As we know, there are three sides in a triangle, and the side which is opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. There are two ways to find the hypotenuse. The first one is the longest side of triangle, and the second one is opposite to the right angle. Here are some examples. A list of triangles, and the longest side is the hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to the right angle. In this triangle, the right angle here, 90 degree. The hypotenuse is not given here. We have to find the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are 7 and 5. A, B, and C. The three sides of the triangle A and B are given. The side C, the distance C is not given. Pythagoras theorem formula is the distance A is squared plus the distance B is squared equals to the distance C is squared. Look at the two shapes, a square and a rectangle. If we split them into two parts, we can see triangles, and the longest side, once again, which is opposite to the right angle, is the hypotenuse. Let's go back to the formula. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Let's have a look into this example. If we had a right angle triangle where distance AB is equal to 3 centimeter and distance BC is equal to 4 centimeter, what would distance AC equal to? Let's use the formula. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Let's put in the formulas. Let's put in the values into the formula. A is 3, B is 4, and we have to find C. And to make C the subject, we can remove the square on distance C and bring it to the other side. Let's make it the square root. Square root 3 squared plus 4 squared. And then simplify it to get 9 plus 16 with a square root. 9 plus 16 is 25. Root over 25 is just 5. And C is equal to 5 centimeter, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle, the longest side. Let's have a look into another example. The two sides are given. Distance CD is equal to 7 centimeter and distance CE is equal to 10 millimeter. It's not centimeter, it's millimeter. Find the distance of DE. Give your answer. Correct the three significant figures. The two sides A and B, both are not given. The longest side C is given, A is given. We have to find the other side. C is 10 millimeter. B is 7 millimeter. We have to make A the subject here. When we rearrange the formula, it becomes A squared equals to C squared minus B squared. After rearranging the formula, the values have to be subtracted with a square root. So C is 10, B is 7. 10 squared minus 7 squared is 100 minus 49, which means 51 square root 51. Let's get the formula, get the answer in your calculator. It's such a long answer, but we have to round up this number into 3 significant figures. Therefore, it becomes 7.14 millimeter. You can see a rectangle here. Opposite sides are equal, 17 centimeter and 8 centimeter. The above rectangle has a height of 8 centimeter and the length of 17 centimeter. We have to calculate the diagonal, which is the hypotenuse. And it's quite easy to find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. We don't know C, we have to find C, the hypotenuse. A is 8, B is 17. So C is equal to 18.8 centimeter. So there's some more examples. You can solve it and get the answer. At the end of the video, you can see the answers. That's all for today. Bye-bye, everyone.